Once you kill a man for revenge, there's no going back. It stays with you forever. A voice in your head saying over and over, "Man, that was awesome."
That's the sound of the police!
Drebin, the robbers you put in the ICU are lawyering up to sue the city.
Since when do cops have to follow the law?
Is he serious?
No.
Policeman's come, we bust him out the park!
Hello, Lieutenant. I think someone murdered my brother.
Please, take a chair.
Thank you.
I'll find him.
My father had to deal with the cops!
Hi, Daddy. Please help me.
To solve the case, you'll need this. Police squad's first fully automated vehicle. Open doors.
Neat trick. Car, drive forward 30 feet.
Oh, God. Someone help!
Pretty fun, I guess.
Seems Mr. Drebin might be more of a problem than we thought. I want you to keep an eye on him.
Wow.
This oven is disgusting.
Okay.
The police don't have a little gun! So when I'm on the streets, I walk around with a bigger one!
I won't stop until I've found justice.
What do you want, little one?
Your ass.
That's the sound of the police! Your hot shot wanna get props and be a savior! First show a little respect, change your behavior! You be getting hyped to the sound of the police!
Who are you?
Frank Drebin Jr., Police Squad.